Hey, do a quick unboxing. Hey, went ahead and got this in the mail. Well, obviously from Amazon, but anyway, got it in the mail. Doing an unboxing. I'm gonna make 2 videos because this one is just me actually going into it. I opened it here because obviously this box was going to be a little difficult to work one-handed, so we're gonna just do this. Yes, shout out to Focusrite. Anyway, go ahead and open the box. One thing that's pretty cool, like I say, they're getting better on packaging. So I usually see packaging looking pretty sketchy. Got your cables. Let's see. Go ahead and open her up. All right, you look like you got, put that to the side. You got mounts. All your cables. Yeah, there goes your car adapter. More mounting pieces. Pull that piece out. Take a little glance inside the box. You got more mounting stuff. USB cable. Some adhesive. You got your user guide. Because we know we all use these. We all use the user guide and we all read them, right? Yeah, right. Okay. Anyway, and this is so crazy trying to do this one-handed. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. All right, I'm gonna DPS the results. Anyway, okay, so here's the dash cam, LCD screen. And I'm guessing one of these is going to be the second cam. So anyway, quick unboxing, minute 54 seconds. And I'll get some review time and go from there. Thanks.
Hey everybody, I got this dash cam to be a little bit safer on the road. It records in 1080p. It's super clear at day and night. I feel a lot safer on the road. And it's small, as you can see, next to that quarter, so you don't even really notice it when you're driving. It also has a rear camera that will go up in this little quadrant up here, and it's really great as well.